hunting season.
Hey everyone, welcome to Cooking with the Country Bob Boys. I'm Caleb.
And I'm Albert. It's deer season, so we're gonna make some venison chili. Here's a list of ingredients that you need.
2 pounds hamburger or venison, 46 ounce canned tomato juice, 30 ounce dark red kidney beans, 80 ounce Brooks hot chili beans, 13 ounce bottle Country Bob's all-purpose sauce, 1 sweet onion chopped, 3 teaspoons minced garlic, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 2 teaspoons black pepper, half teaspoon dried basil, dried thyme, and dried oregano, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 tablespoon Country Bob's seasoning salt. Thanks for joining us. Like and share. Also, leave comments below for recipes that you might like.
Are you looking at both cameras?
I was so confused.